So this is a totally different model of Royal Typewriter, and I wanted to show this to you because it has this metal piece that sticks out almost all the way to the crossbar, and if you're not careful this can get in the way of you installing the electronics. This thing's actually the spacebar mechanism, so it's kind of important. We don't want to get rid of it, but we don't want it to get in our way either. So as you're installing the sensor panel, just make sure that there's a good range of motion on the sensor panel moving up and down when the keys strike it without colliding with this structural piece. If you find that it's just too hard to keep this piece away from your electronics, well, one thing you can do is remove the back panel of your typewriter. I know it sounds like a pain, but it's actually, you just have to pop 4 screws off and then it should pop right out. Just take the back plate of your typewriter off and then use some pliers to just bend this piece down just very little. And after you do that, it should be nice and far away from your electronics. And just to double check, just make sure that after doing that your spacebar still works, because you might have to tweak it or bend it back and forth until you get your spacebar working like you like it again.